Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We got Ricky. Ricky is the first time ever getting treated. His brother was here yesterday and first time he got treated, so we're going to see him today. He has some asthma as a kid. It's gotten a lot better. He has food allergies. His hips are a little off, and then he has really tight upper back area and neck area. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust him and see how he does. Let's go face down for Ricky. Show a couple of things. So Mom brought him in here and says this would help. You saw my Facebook videos, right? All right, go ahead and raise this leg for me again, straight leg. Good, and this one. Good, all right, here we go, buddy. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, good. One more. There we go, one more. There it is. You okay?
Yep.
I'm gonna get a different way in this one. This side up for me, facing this way. So the difference between Ricky and is his upper back is really tight. So we're gonna remove some, but nothing like your other son. You ready? Deep breath for me, buddy. All the way out. Nice. Ooh. You alright? Yeah. Face this way for me. Mom is like, ooh. Beautiful. Deep breath for me. All the way. There it is. Nice. You okay? Let's go face up for me. You don't get headaches or anything, right? Or do you? No, not much. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna put motion in there. Ready? Deep breath. Relax. One more. You okay? All right. I'm gonna have you cross your hands in front of you. So you're gonna do it this way. Actually, move down just a little bit for me. Perfect. Deep breath in. All the way out. There it is. Ooh. That's what I wanted. He's got that smile on his face. Let's go face down. I want to check a couple of things real quick. So you're gonna get on your stomach. Good. So let's see. Now go ahead and raise that leg. Good. And undo this one. No, do that one down. Put that one down. As high as you can. This one. Good. All right, relax it. Beautiful. Now take a deep breath. All the way out. And do one more. All right. So if you're watching this, you haven't been adjusted before, come on in, just like Ricky.